The economy added more than 100,000 jobs last month, but that wasn't enough to budge the unemployment rate off of 9.1%. Historically, over the last 15 years, almost two-thirds of new jobs have been generated by small businesses. But now, businesses that want to hire new workers are being frustrated by banks that cut their access to credit.
And are we doing much with the custom ID solution catalog? Do you know?
Ohio entrepreneur Kimberly Martinez saw opportunity in a post-9/11 world where ID badges have become parts of the working wardrobe.
Instead of wearing that shoelace-style lanyard given you by Marty and security, we create fashion accessories that let women really wear their IDs with style.
Martinez built Bonitas International from the ground up 8 years ago, using credit cards and the equity in her home. Today, she runs a $2 million enterprise with 15 employees.
Last year, we had our second best year in our company's history.
But growth and new hiring stalled when credit got tight, despite an excellent payment record, which CBS News has reviewed. Here's what happened. Before the financial crisis, Martinez was charging around $50,000 a month for goods and shipping, $50,000 with an $83,000 credit limit. But then, Chase Bank cut her credit limit down to around $50,000, meaning Martinez was now using nearly 100% of her available credit, a red flag that caused her credit score to drop from 700 to 640, which then triggered Chase to lower her credit even further to $40,000.
I'm in a spot where I don't understand why, when I've managed my relationships appropriately and responsibly, all of a sudden the credit card companies are turning their back on me.
In fact, 60% of entrepreneurs say their credit card terms have gotten worse.
I have clients who have orders in hand. They could hire employees back immediately if they had the cash to bring them back.
Former banker Marilyn Landis says bank computers don't discern between consumer and business spending.
I don't think the credit card companies have the data or the understanding to realize how significant their credit is for job creation.
I'm not spending my money buying plasma TVs and going on vacation. I'm spending my money to grow my business and create jobs.
When contacted about the Martinez case last week, Chase gave this statement to CBS News. As a standard operating practice, we may reduce lines for customers who are showing signs of increased risk. But the next day, Chase surprised Martinez.
You're my hero.
And restored her credit lines.
I'm so relieved.
After 2 years of uncertainty, Martinez hopes her company is back on track.
And now that she's got her higher credit limit back, Martinez hopes to hire 5 more people.